everybody. So right now what I'm working on here, I'm in the garage. A little bit different scenery for today. We brought the square arbor home for the disc, and I'm just working on our problem here. We had the disc ground out the shaft there. This was an $80 shaft that I don't feel like buying another one of. So we're gonna go ahead, and I got the welder set up, and I'm just gonna go ahead and try to fill these welds up. Good afternoon, everybody. We are back up in the shop. We are getting the discs all fixed up as part of our disc reassembly project. The parts are coming in tomorrow for the shaft because we had some small spacers, but right now we're fixing the disc. The arbor, the square arbor, has been fixed. I will show you that here quick. So you can see, all fixed there and all ground down, all fixed. Now we're just fixing the discs and we're making them more square. We're taking out the second indent and we're making them like so. Devin is currently welding. He's welding those up, and I am prepping them here with a flat disc, and then after he is done, I am taking our new grinder to it and I'm grinding them down. Now, to get in the inside, we do not have a die grinder. I am getting one eventually though, don't you worry. So we bought this little contraption. It is a belt sander that is air powered. So I'm just gonna go in there like so, and I clean them off like that. So, Mr. Welder, how's it looking?
It's freaking ice cream, bud.
Looking good. I will grind that right down, and I'll get you this one over here. So we're gonna go ahead and continue working, and you guys can watch us. Can you be quiet, for God's sakes? Jesus, okay. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna get to work. That's really nice of you. Okay, yeah, I am gonna start prepping. I will show you a prep one, and then I will show you some welding, so let's do it. Now we're gonna go ahead and just clean off the inside here with the belt sander. The pneumatic belt sander. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and weld this sucker up. The reason why we do it in sections like that is to let it cool down a little bit before we add on the other layer. Because what we're doing is we're layering it up to make it a square.
That's right.
Okay, so now what I'm going to do here, now that he's finished welding that, I'm going to take the Makita grinder to it and the belt sander, and we're going to go ahead and fix that right up.
Crews are plowing the runways. I don't know, what is that? 8 to 10 inch drift in front of the runway, right in front of the hangar. And I'm locked out. I'm locked out. I'm locked out. And it's cold. Thank you.
Come on, really? Okay, so the reason why we stopped here, we have to take a break because the welder would not turn on. We had it plugged in countless times and it just would not turn on. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna bring this home. I'll try to get it fixed. If not, looks like we're gonna go welder shopping, but I think we should be able to fix it, no problem. And tomorrow we're gonna use, Devin's got a welder here, so we're gonna go ahead and finish this off tomorrow. So, okay, so we're gonna get back to you guys tomorrow on this and see you in a few seconds. Alright everybody, welcome back here, back up at the shop. Nice warm day here, we got the door open. So we ended up getting the gang back together. Unfortunately, we didn't get any recording done. We did put new spacers in here because these ones are slightly longer than the other ones. They're supposed to be 9-inch, those are 9-inch. Same with new spacers for the bearings here. We got that all equalized, and now, as you can see here, they all spin on the same shaft perfectly as you would have seen us weld the shaft. We forgot the camera multiple times here, so we got a little bit of other work done. This thing has been pretty much completely fixed. If you wanted to see how we did put the gang back together, you can go watch one of our videos from last year. Link up top here. And we also put a new cylinder up here, just because that one was a really bad leaking one before. And now this thing works perfectly normal. Other than that, nothing else has really changed on it. We did put a new jack at the front here because the other one wasn't working anymore. Like, it just stopped at one point. So yeah, so that's where we're at on this. This thing's basically ready to go back to the farm. And right now what we're doing here, thought I would show you since I have the camera today, is where'd that sprocket go? Oh, it's over here. So this chain, we had to put a chain on here, and when we put the chain on, it always wants to hit here. So we bought this sprocket from Princess Auto. It's a 17mm bore, and you cannot find a 17mm bolt. We got this bolt custom made at BSK Machine Shop. Big thanks to them. They even made the threads and everything. And basically what we're gonna do is gonna put tensioner right here. This metal was already here, and what I've done is I've cut out a groove on here, and this is gonna slide in there like so, and we have washers to tighten that down like so. So what we're doing right now is we're just gonna put this little end cap on here, and that's also enough space for it to link at the bottom here, and we're gonna weld it onto the bottom. And this is 1/4-inch metal, and this is 3/16. We're gonna go ahead and weld it on here. Devin's our master welder for today. Our welder is still out of commission, so we're using his Lincoln 140 to do the job. 035 wire. It should work good. So we're gonna judge your skills here today, Devin. Okay, let's move her on over to here now. Here's what we got so far here. All welded up, and we're gonna go ahead and give this a quick wash here, get all that dirt off, and then we'll paint that up, make it look good. Let's do it. So this is our setup here. We're gonna pull this out with the ATV. This should be interesting here. If you do a catwalk, I'm gonna laugh my ass off. Oh yeah, that's nothing. Oh, I think it's a lot harder. Good. I can even turn off the tire. All the dust has to come off, you know? Okay. Alrighty, here we back this thing back in. It's all cleaned off. We were in a little bit of a rush here, so we got this on here. Just tensioner. It's a little bit painted there, and this looks good. Very happy with how this turned out. Big thank you to BSK Machine Shop for milling out that bolt for us. And that looks good. That is ready for the field now. So anyways, this brings us to the end of the video here. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe down below, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.